to your channel, Origami Land. Today, we're diving into the spooky spirit of Halloween with 3 amazing origami projects. Get ready to transform simple pieces of paper into eerie decorations perfect for your Halloween festivities. Whether you're an origami enthusiast or a curious beginner, these projects are sure to impress and add a touch of Halloween magic to your home. But that's not all. As a special treat, we've included links to 3 bonus origami projects at the end of this video that will make your Halloween even more exciting. Stay with us to find out what they are and how you can craft them to enhance your Halloween decorations. First, we'll start with a classic Halloween symbol, the steady jack-o'-lantern. This paper pumpkin is fun to make and will set the spooky mood right from the beginning. As we fold this iconic paper pumpkin, imagine the eerie glow of a candle inside, casting spooky shadows across the room. It's not just a decoration, but a piece of art that adds warmth and a touch of eerie delight to your Halloween setting. The vibrant orange hue of the pumpkin against the dark atmosphere of Halloween night creates a perfect contrast, making it a standout piece in your decoration lineup. The intricate details of each fold will bring out the true spirit of Halloween, allowing you to enjoy the festival to the fullest. Next, we'll weave an intricate spider web, the perfect backdrop for our final creation. The delicate yet intricate design of the spider web will add a mysterious aura to any setting. Each fold brings the web to life, creating an enchanting network of paper strands that can turn any space into a Halloween wonderland. This web will be a stunning piece that can hang anywhere, adding a spooky yet elegant touch to your Halloween decor. Picture it draped across your windows or hanging in the corner of a dimly lit room, catching the light just right to create eerie shadows. It's not just a decoration, but a conversation starter that will captivate your guests and add to the spooky ambiance of your celebrations. And to complete our Halloween trio, we'll fold a creepy spider that can creep and crawl around your spider web. With its lifelike appearance and detailed folds, this spider will surely be the highlight of your Halloween decorations. Imagine it lurking in the web you just created, ready to surprise and amuse anyone who sees it. It's not just about the final product, but the fun and joy of creating something spooky and unique. The intricate folds required for the spider will challenge your skills and result in a piece that truly looks like it could scuttle away at any moment. The realistic details of this creepy critter will surely impress everyone who sees it and add a touch of authenticity to your Halloween setup. The jack-o'-lantern is a symbol of Halloween's rich history and traditions. As we fold this iconic paper pumpkin, imagine the eerie glow of a candle inside, casting spooky shadows. The non-spider web, with its delicate yet intricate design, will add a touch of mystery to any setting. And their creepy spider, with its lifelike appearance, will surely give your decorations a realistic and chilling touch. These 3 projects together create a cohesive Halloween theme that ties your decorations together beautifully. Origami is not just about creating figures. It's about the joy and satisfaction of transforming a simple piece of paper into something magical. Each fold is a step towards bringing your creativity to life. As you follow along, you'll discover the therapeutic benefits of this ancient art form. It's a wonderful way to relax and enjoy some quality time, whether you're crafting alone or with friends and family. The process of folding and creasing the paper is not only a creative outlet, but also a meditative practice that helps reduce stress and enhance focus. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you complete each project is truly gratifying, and it's a wonderful way to spend your time creatively. At Origami Land, we believe in the power of creativity to bring people together. This Halloween, let's make some memories with these fantastic origami projects. Each creation is more than just a decoration. It's a piece of art that reflects your dedication and skill. We hope these projects inspire you to explore the endless possibilities of paper folding. Whether you're using these decorations to spook up your home Give as gifts, or even as part of a Halloween craft night, they're sure to be a hit. The joy of crafting something with your own hands and seeing it come to life is unparalleled. And we're excited to share this experience with you. Halloween is a time for creativity and fun. And what better way to celebrate than by making your own decorations? These origami projects are not just about the end result, but about the process of creating something with your own hands. The satisfaction of seeing a simple piece of paper transform into a detailed and beautiful decoration is unmatched. Plus, these projects are a great way to spend time with loved ones, working together to create something special. The shared experience of crafting together will create lasting memories and a sense of accomplishment for everyone involved. Don't miss out on this Halloween spooktacular. Follow along with us, and by the end of the video, you'll have a set of Halloween-themed origami decorations that are sure to impress. These projects are designed to be fun and accessible, making them perfect for all ages and skill levels. Whether you're new to origami or a seasoned pro, you'll find something to love in these Halloween creations. So grab your paper, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Halloween origami together. The detailed instructions and tips we'll provide will ensure that you have a great time crafting and end up with decorations you're proud of. Thank you for joining us on Origami Land. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your thoughts or requests. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest origami tutorials. Let's unfold the magic of paper folding together. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see what you create.